And look at the view, huge mountain, and people like us don't belong there. Dam is dry, let's sweat our hearts out. Please stay on the official trail, check the weather. There is one trail which is going in that direction. Descent continues. So next time guys, we will try our level best. Good afternoon guys, and good afternoon again from International City Dubai, and welcome to Explore with Moz. So today guys, once again we are on a mission, and today we are going to again a dam. So my first ever video was for a dam, that was Al Shuwaib Dam. I will link it, and I was not able to even reach to the dam. Second one, CG Dam, I was able to reach there but I was not able to find any water, like it was completely dry. So today for the third time we are trying to go to a dam. Okay, now this dam is in the state of Ras Al Khaimah, and the name is Shauqa Dam. Shauqa Dam. So this Shauqa Dam, we are going there today to explore. Maybe there's a very good chance we are not able to find any water, but again, if we reach there, there are hiking areas, there's a picnic spot and good car park as always, so why not? I mean, let's take the chance. So okay, so this place how far it is from where we are right now. आज की ride थोड़ी छोटी होने वाली है. It is only 78 kilometers one side, meaning by के एक side की जो हमारी ride है towards Shauqa Dam 78, coming back 78, and the time which is telling us how much time it will take, 1 hour and 2 minutes. And okay, before we leave we will do our time check right now. It's you can say 2:45 PM. So 2:45 PM International City से निकलते हैं and towards Shauqa Dam. See you guys on the road. Hello guys, good evening, and welcome to Wadi Shauqa Dam. As you can see here, the official board of the dam, and time check, of course, time check is 4:30. So हम कब निकले थे वो मैं लगा दूंगा, और 4:30 पे हम पहुंच गए हैं guys. Our car, and look at the view, huge mountains. And once again जिस चीज़ का हमें खदशा था guys, there is literally not a single drop of water my friend. Look at the dam is completely dry. Yeah, one thing, हम when we came here, हम जब आए थे तो क्या था, एक रास्ता नीचे की तरफ जा रहा था, that was a family park, and people like us don't belong there. We belong into the wild, so we came to the wild side. And look at this guys, ये एक mountain है और इसके ऊपर सीढ़ियाँ जा रही हैं. So if the dam is dry, let's sweat our hearts out. So we are gonna climb. So in short guys, मुझे लगता है कि today's dam exploration vlog is going to be turned into a mountain exploration. And yes, let's go. Okay, there's a warning, glide sites, deep area, खतरा, फिसलने का खतरा, गहरी खाई. Of course we need to, गहरी खाइयाँ हैं and गिरने का खतरा है, and that's why we come here. Okay, so I have 2 bottles of water, 1 liter of water of bottle, and let's see how far we can go. I mean, it's an adventure. Okay, plan your route safely, stay on the official trail, check the weather, stay hydrated, wear appropriate clothes, do not litter, please do not litter, no loud music, stay away from private land and farm life, of course, and private lands, farms and wildlife. Okay, done. So let's go guys. We are officially starting our journey of hiking. and there is our car, there is the dry dam, and we are going on the top of this mountain. Hopefully we can reach that flag of UAE. So yeah, so guys, the wind is blowing, and there will be wind blowing, and of course there will be me breathing loudly, so you have to bear both of them today, and because it's gonna happen for sure. But the good thing is कि इन्होंने यहाँ पर ये proper एक staircase बना दिया है, and guys, the mountain is awesome, man. The mountain is awesome. तो हम इस staircase को करते जाएंगे, and luckily guys, the good thing, it's Monday, of course, so we were supposed to be alone. So luckily there is no one here, so we can explore the things and we can share the views with you guys. I don't know मेरी वीडियो कैसी आ रही है, but let's see guys. I have came this far. It's quite an incline and I am out of breath. My god. Okay guys, ये staircases जो हैं, they are reminding me when I climbed on the top of Dhaya Fort in Ras Al Khaimah. So I will mention there, kindly check. That was almost 200 something steps, but these are quite inclined and they are way too many steps, but let's keep on moving, man. Okay guys, I will turn off the camera for a while and see you guys. I need to focus on breathing as well as climbing. Okay guys, look at this, the dam downstairs, our car. I don't know if you guys are able to see, and there is one trail which is going in that direction, but I'm sure this is a part of a hard trail, so we are not going to go there. Let's keep on climbing the staircase till the top where we can see one UAE flag. Let's go, because I have not been on the top yet. The top is still, as you can see up there, UAE flag, but I am breathing crazy. It's like very hard for me to breathe. Of course, it's been a while since I did some cardio exercise. So anyways, we are sitting here on in a small rest area. I am rethinking whether I should abandon going up there or whether still I should pursue. So still not able to make that decision what to do, because I don't know what to do, guys. Because plan was to see the dam, no water. We started hiking, and I guess this is the best I can do. By the way, we almost came across 400 and something meters, so almost half a kilometer we have climbed, so by this staircase. So I mean, not bad. I would say it's not bad, half kilometer on that, I mean, straight away. So yeah, not bad guys. So I think I'm gonna start my descent now. Time check 5, so hopefully by, you can say, 5:20 or 5:30 I will be back, and after that we'll get in the car and start our journey back home. Alright viewers, my mobile selfie stick is back in the bag, and my mobile is in the pocket, and our descent continues. So next time guys, we will try our level best to go on the top, and but as for now, today I think I have had enough. This was, I mean, half a kilometer of At least now I think I have learned something about myself today. So for example, if in the future I know my limits, so up till half a kilometer I think I am able to do in one go. Maybe with some practice we are able to do more, but as of now I think this is enough. The path we took today, this path, the staircase one, it was not the green one, it was blue one. It was intermediate hike. So yeah, that's a good thing. Okay guys, as you can see, there is one more track going this, and I think this is part of the hard trail which was indicated in the red. So that is the hard one, and maybe one day we will be able to do that one also, but as of now this is way above our pay grade, that's for sure. Okay guys, perfect. And my legs, guys, they are not as responsive as they were before I started walking up there. So yeah, Wadi Al Shawka, exactly, Wadi Al Shawka Dam, built in 2001. Built in 2001, my friends. And of course we need to take one picture with this thing. Okay guys, time to go. Bye bye to the trail. Lesson well learned. Not to mess with trails unless you have a good fitness. So yeah, anyways, it's not a challenge guys, it's just we are here for enjoyment, and we did our best to enjoy as much as I can. And yeah, the sun is almost down, sun has set already, you may say. And again, the dry dam, man, this dry dam, what I will do with this dry. Okay, so the voice of white-faced bulbul, I don't know if you are able to see, there's a pair of white-faced bulbul which I saw in Al Hail Fort also. There are too many of it. Okay guys, from Shawka Dam, signing off. Good evening guys, good evening again from international city Dubai, and we are back where we live. And after doing today's vlog, doing quite some hiking. So yeah, we are back from Al Shawka Dam. Yeah, anyways guys, I think that is all. अभी यहाँ पे वीडियो एंड करने वाले हैं, और see you guys next week in another vlog, in another adventure. Now bye, take care, God bless. From the Ashwak Dam. Oh my god, what is the name of this dam, man? Ashwak, or whatever the dam name is, Ashwak Dam. So Ashwak.